YouTube, what is going on? It is Tez here, back with another video. As you can see, I have the headpiece on, head strap for my GoPro. I'm looking at it right here. But yeah, today is a special day. We've been waiting on this for a long time. I've been waiting on this for a long time. And today we just gonna be, well, it's gonna be like a mix up of 2 days worth of recording. It's going to be a lot of time lapse and a lot of, you know, just whatever the case may be. So today we are going to be installing my dynamic Autowerx stage 4 turbos that I had on my old setup, on my old car. Hopefully you can see this good. Going to be installing these pretty much today. I got everything. I got the outlets, the 2-inch outlets that came with the other setup. Got everything. I got oil pan gasket as well because the oil pan is leaking on this car. When I got it, I got a electric saw that was like 20 bucks from Harbor Freight. Got the install kit from ECS Tuning for all the gaskets and stuff to put on right here and everything. I'm not necessarily gonna touch these because I feel like these were untouched. These were replaced. I don't necessarily have to touch these gaskets because they were already replaced. They weren't touched. So, but these gaskets right here and right here that connect right there, I'm going to replace as well. But other than that, we're going to get started and, you know, start doing everything. I just got parked the car in the garage, and shout out to my brother Keith. Almighty Keys. I drop his Instagram in on this, but he let me use this space in his apartment complex. He let me use his garage for these 2 days that we're gonna be doing this. So yeah, for the most part, that's what we're gonna be doing. We got stock turbos in right now. We're gonna be relocating it over there, and yeah, we got a lot of work to do, but I'm ready for it. I got, like I said, the rest of today. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I got the rest of today in the morning and tomorrow, Sunday, and in the morning to finish this. So I have a complete like 48 or 60 something hours to be able to get all this stuff done by myself. I feel like I could do it. My homeboy pulled the turbos out in 3 hours. So we just letting the car cool off. We got oil, liquid moly 5W40. We got coolant. We got an oil filter. We got tools. We got the oil pan. Drain the oil in. Yeah, and I got this part over here. I got my charge pipe. I gotta reinstall it. This is the part that goes in right here that connects the charge light. Because right now I'm running the stock charge pipe, but I just need a blow-off valve and a C-clip, but I think that C-clip I could use. I'll try to use it, but that's about it. Other than that, everything is Gucci. I don't want to talk y'all ears off, but I've been waiting on this for a very long time, so we about to see if, oh, this is my PCV right here. Need to do that as well because the car smokes. When I turn it on, it smokes a little bit, but I think that has to do with the stock PCV that I have in there. I'm gonna be swapping that out too. So we got a lot of stuff to do, as you can see. Got a lot of stuff to do, a lot of work. So without further ado, let's get into it. A lot of time lapsing and everything. I appreciate y'all. And we hit 1,000 followers on my Instagram page, so that's a blessing. I want to thank God for that and all my supporters, man. Y'all are great on this journey. It's been a crazy journey. Just got this car not even like, I think I had it for about a month, if that. And it's already about to be full bolt on, port injection, upgraded 19.5 T turbos, and everything. So I'm excited for what's in store. I've been waiting to do this forever. So yeah, let's get into it, man. I don't even know where to start first, but we're gonna just go with the flow.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of the suicidal maniac.
All right, as you can see, we got the car jacked up. I got my little light up here. Yes, sir. I'm following along with Vehicular DIY. I've did a whole turbo N54 turbo install before by myself, but I only did it one time. I've seen it done like maybe 3 or 4 times, and I've like helped out and gave a helping hand on this type of job. But I'm following along with to see how he does it, just to freshen up my memory and everything. Like the beginning steps, I'm not really too vague on how to do it, but I do think that I have to drain the coolant and the oil and stuff of that nature. So we're about to do that, and yeah, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna keep time lapsing, and then like once I get really far ahead, I'll probably stop the video like this. But you know, we in it for the long haul, so let's get into it, man. All right, we got the shield out. Just E8's holding it. It's got like some vacuum lines and stuff on it in the rear. Thank you. Shield is out, vacuum line, boost hole nut is going there. That's out. So now you can see Turbski 1, Turbski 2. So that goes to the rear wastegate. I can't pull it off, so. All right, we got that. Now I'm about to do some other stuff. I'm just gonna time lapse the rest. All right, so we haven't got much done. I just put this engine hoist on to lift up the motor a little bit. I'll remove majority of the nuts that go in the manifold of the turbo, or the front one, the top ones that is, and then some from I think like 4 on the rear turbo. It's dark. I gotta charge my light. It's a little process. So now I'm about to drain the oil, and I'll try to time lapse that and get little bits and pieces of this install, because this is gonna take a while, man. All right, so the oil is draining now. I had to wait a long time because I had to have somebody come up and bring me a tow hook so I can lift the motor up a little bit. But other than that, after I drain this oil, I'm about to remove the subframe and all that good stuff. So wish me luck. Wish me luck. All right, YouTube, as you can see, we got the subframe out. Lord, that took some time. It was not hard at all whatsoever. It just was tedious. And I was watching the video because that was my first time actually taking the subframe out. Subframe is over there. So I apologize for not time lapsing. My GoPro's about to die. I need to charge it. But yeah, we already took the bolts off the downpipe. I'm about to just take the downpipes out. Take that bolt off the V-band clamp of the downpipe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the turbos are about to come out. Finally, Lord. It's only been a process. I've been really just taking my time, honestly, with it. Haven't been rushing through anything. Just been trying to, you know, take my time, make sure I'm doing it right, not messing up anything. But yeah, the stock turbos are about to come out. I'm just working on the nuts that go on the manifold. Once I pull them off, I'll be able to just drop both the turbos at one time. And yeah, so let's just time lapse that. All right, YouTube, I think that's gonna call it. I think I want to call it about a night. Did this all in one sitting. Took it all out, so got the front rear turbo out. All the lines, I'm just gonna clean up everything. You know, I'm gonna clean up everything. I'm so freaking tired, it's crazy. I'm gonna clean up everything and then I'm about to go home and come back in like 5 hours and start back on it again. So this should be fun. Should have a lot more energy coming back to it, but not too bad, not too bad. All right, YouTube, we back day 2. Now all I'm doing is just, I'm swapping out all the gaskets on the lines, the oil feed, return, coolant lines and whatnot on both turbos. Had to swap over my old line for my old turbo because this one was kind of like crinkled up and I don't want to put that in there like that and risk it. Probably got like that when they pulled them out or when they were sitting in my storage, but I'm doing that by the time lapse that, so let's get right into it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, turbos are in. We lit. I just gotta clean up the little oil and stuff from other residue. I do need a new oil pan gasket. I'm gonna pay somebody to do it. I ended up not ordering the new bolt, so I don't feel like waiting to do it. So now we just putting on a water pump and things like that. So I already got the turbos bolted up. And yeah, so that's all we're doing. So I'm about to just time lapse this. I'm just taking my time, you know, doing it right. Let's go. All right, YouTube, what is going on? It's Tez. We are back with another segment of this install. I literally just fast forward to everything. So right now, as we speak, I don't know why that looks like that. As we speak, I wrapped up everything. Turbos are in. I don't know. You can't really see them down there, but I got my dynamic Autowerx stage 4 turbos in. See me installing. I don't know where I left off at. Boost solenoids, vacuum, all of that. So I poured coolant in it already. No leaks so far. If it was any leaks, it would have started leaking, which is a good sign. I just swapped out the oil filter. I have to swap out the T-map sensor and put my 3.5 bar in. Once I do that, I just put oil in it, prime the turbos, get all the bubbles out the coolant, do the little cycle, whatever it's called. I forgot. I don't know, but it's been a process. So I don't know where I left off, but as you can see, no coolant leaks. Everything's dry. This right there, I don't know if you can see that, it's from me pouring it. Everything is good. Sway bar in, subframe in, brace in. It's an oil leak back there. I didn't do my oil pan gasket because I didn't have the bolts to do it. So it is what it is. I got the downpipes in. So this is the story. So when I was down here, right, I installed the turbos, put the downpipes on, put the subframe back in. And then I look to my right and I see the motor mount and the motor mount bracket. So I was actually like very tight about that because I don't know if you guys know, if you've done this job before, for those who know, you have to pretty much take the subframe back off, not off, but drop it. Take the downpipes completely off and then install the motor mount that's attached to the motor mount bracket. And then put it, I think it goes like over the rear turbo or in that area, and then reinstall the downpipes and then put the subframe back up. Blase blah. So I had to do that a couple times, just make sure that lens is clean. I had to do that a couple times. That slowed me down. But yeah, so for the most part, we are good to go. I'm about to do this. I'm about to stop talking. I know y'all want to see this car start. I want to as well. I'm ready to drive it. Ready to see if there's no cooling, see how it runs. I have to flash my 93 tune because I don't have my port installed yet. I have to install it later. And yeah, so we're just gonna be right around my dialed in port map. It's completely fine to me. I don't have inlets on either turbo. they had a situation happen where somebody took my inlets, so I had to replace them, which sucks. But yeah, for the most part, that's it. I just have to put inlets on it, do the relocation kit with the coolant, and that's it. So for the most part, I'm looking, I don't see any coolant leaks, which is good. It would have been started leaking. So far, so good. So let's get to it. And I took the spark plugs out, my 2-step coder ones, and gapped them down to 0.18 because I had them at 0.22 when I was on stock turbo. So did that. I did a bunch of stuff. I don't even remember. I just want to get this car started. It's around 12:43 at night, as you can see. So yeah, let's get this car on the road. All right, YouTube. So we're about to try to get the air bubbles out the system with the coolant. So we're about to do that now. About to check for leaks. I hear it. No leaks, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen. No leaks. That's lit. I'm a goat. This feels good. I'm scared as hell though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This water pump is brand new as well. But ain't got no leaks coming from nowhere. We Gucci. Yes, sir. No cool leaks, that is. Oil leaks, I don't see. I mean, on the oil pan, yeah. But like, everything else is good. We're good, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Yes. So back down. Then I gotta prime the oil once this is done. Doing it is cycling through the coolant. Yeah, it's across shit from more. Yeah. But I need some wire, bro. Hold on. Yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah. Yeah. No leaks. No leaks. Bro, I need that blow-off valve, bro. I could have installed my charge pipe while I was here. I didn't. I'm still on a stock charge pipe. All right, fingers crossed. See what it do. It's gonna be the first start of it. But I could build you one of these. If you get one, I could build you one. But yeah, it's lit. It's on. I'm about to let this burn off. Go get my Uber Eats. But other than that, yeah. Oh yeah, please. Other than that, if y'all enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, Idling good. We up through there. Yes, sir. Yo. Turbo install complete.